Welcome to Factorising, where you have four terms. So when we factorise, if it's got four terms, these are some of the steps we would look to follow. So the first thing you're going to see in all the factor videos is that you take out the common factor. So this is not always possible, but if it is, it makes things easier. Second step, you group them in pairs. So group the first two, put brackets around, group the second pair, put brackets around. Then you factorise each pair individually. So take out the common factor of the first bracket, take out the common factor of the second bracket. And finally, the common bracket that you have, so both brackets should be exactly the same, that is one factor, and the remaining terms are the other factor written inside a bracket. Now, if you don't have the same bracket, then you've either done it wrong or it couldn't be factorised. So here's a couple of examples, and each one of these is able to be factorised. So example 1, AM plus BM plus AN plus BN. So group the first two terms, group the back two terms. In the first two terms, or in the first bracket in this case, take out the common factor, which is M, and you're left with A plus B. In the second two terms, or in the second bracket, take out the common factor, which is N, outside of A plus B. Notice that the A plus B bracket is common to both. So we can take that out as a common factor, that's one bracket, and what's remaining, which is the M and the plus N, go in the second bracket, and that gives us our final solution. For the second example, similarly, group the first two, group the second two. The common factor of the first two, or the first bracket, is Y. The common factor of the second two, or the second bracket, is 3. Notice once again that the bracket, the common bracket, is the same, 3y plus 7. We can take that out the front, and what's left is the y and the plus 3. And we put them into the second bracket. Final one, group the first two, group the end two. Common factor of the first bracket is m. Common factor of the second bracket is minus 3. And notice when we take the minus into the minus 6, that gives us plus 2. And you might even look at that, and if you tried to expand it, you would see that timesing by minus 3 gets you minus 3 times m is minus 3m, minus 3 times plus 2 is minus 6. So that's one just to be careful of. Notice once again our brackets are the same, so we have an m plus 2 bracket in each case, so that goes out the front. What's left goes in the second bracket, m minus 3. That's the solution. Thank you.